Hi, welcome back to my channel. And so we were discussing about we have discussed many equations, no? Many equations of different shapes. We discussed about triangles. Triangle area formula is area of the triangle formula is half into BH. Very good. Then rectangle, its area is length into breadth. Rectangle's perimeter area is 2 into L plus B. Then parallelogram, we have discussed about parallelogram, its area is B into H. Then we have discussed about kite. Can you say the area of kite? You learned, no? Area of kite? Yes, half into D1 into D2. Then we discussed about trapezium. What was the specialty of trapezium? Only one pair of parallel sides. What is the specialty of parallelogram? Both opposite sides are parallel, but in the case of trapezium only one pair should be parallel. Another can be parallel or cannot be. And what was the specialty of kite? You may understood the specialty of kite. We have drawn a figure also, isn't it? And all those many concepts we had discussed. And in the case of trapezium, area is equal to half into h into a plus b. A and B are the length of the parallel side. H is the distance between parallel sides. Parallel sides. All those things we have discussed. And few students are daily coming to school, so I can easily ask questions to them, because I'm meeting them every day, so they can expect my questions directly today itself. And all the remaining students, they are sitting at home and showing that they are learning. I can say like that because I don't think that all the students, I'm not meaning everyone, I know that many students are there, they are watching video twice or thrice and they are seriously learning, but still many percentage of students are there, they are just making an atmosphere that they are learning. So to them I will conduct live class, and otherwise I will call in between. You can expect my call anytime. At that time I will ask you question directly when you reach home, when you reach school. Okay. So you can expect that kind of many calls from my side, or live classes, or I will call you directly to the school and I can ask you questions. Okay, so please prepare well. And today what we are going to do is we are going to apply these kind of formulas which we have learned in practical situation. That means we are going to solve questions by using the formula we have learned. So this video should be a very short video because next video, I'm not in a mood to shoot a big video because I'm a little bit tired because I was shooting a very long video for class 10, and so this I'm a little bit tired, so I'm going to make the video as such very short video. And but through this video session we are going to apply the formula which we have learned. Shall we? Yes. So let me write the first question. You can also write with me. Calculate area of rectangle. Calculate area of rectangle with length 10 centimeter and breadth some 5 centimeter. Calculate the area of rectangle with the length. Calculate the area of rectangle with the length 10 centimeter and breadth 5 centimeter. So let me draw a figure first. This is a rectangle. Its length is given as 10 centimeter. So length we have mentioned by L, no? So L should be 10 centimeter and breadth we have mentioned by B, no? So B should be 5 centimeter. Okay. Length should be 10 centimeter and breadth should be 5 centimeter because it is given in the question. And we are supposed to calculate the area of rectangle, no? So which is the formula for calculating area of rectangle? Area of rectangle we have learned. The formula is L into B. So here the L is 10 and B is 5. So it becomes 10 into 5. What is 10 into 5? 50. So the answer is 50 centimeter square. Because the unit of area also should be, if the measurements are in centimeter, the unit of area should be centimeter square. If the measurement are in meter, the unit of area should be meter square. You may understood, no? So this is the way of calculating area of rectangle. Moving to the next question. Next we can write this question. Calculate the area of kite. In the figure there is a kite is given. we are supposed to calculate its area. It's a kite. Kite's area we are supposed to calculate. What is the formula for calculating area of kite? The formula is half into d1 into d2. That means half into what this d1 stands for. This is kite, so area is half into d1 into d2, and d1 stands for the length of the first diagonal. This is the first diagonal and this is the second diagonal. So length of its diagonal is given there 10, and length of the second diagonal is given as 8. So half into 10 into 8. So you can cancel this 2 and 10. Here 5 will come. By using 2 I have cancelled. So answer is 8 into 5, 40. 40 by 1 is 40 itself. So the answer is 40 centimeter square, because it is again area. So unit should be if it is in centimeter square. If it is in meter square. Here the units are given in centimeters, so answer should be 40 centimeter square. Moving to the next question. Find the area of the parallelogram. This is the parallelogram which is given in the question. We are supposed to calculate area of this parallelogram. So let me write the formula. Area of the parallelogram, what is the formula? Base into height. Okay. So this chapter consists of many problems, many problems, but we are not going to solve all the problems, or otherwise what we are doing is, we are not going to revise, or we are not going to discuss all the pages, all the concept in this chapter, because we won't get time for that. So that's why I'm going to filter the main concept in this chapter. Because if we are going to solve exercise by exercise, we were doing that, up to the last chapter. We were doing that. What we have done? What we did is, we discussed all the exercise, all important chapter. That means we will select all the important chapters from all the exercise, and we used to solve questions like that. We were doing that, but in this chapter, only very short period of time is ahead of us. So what we are going to do is, we are going to filter the most important concept, and we are going to learn concept only. That is enough, because 9th standard we are going to start the same chapter again. So that's why I decided that we are going to discuss only the concept in this chapter, main concept on this chapter, because 9th standard I am the teacher who is going to teach the chapter surface area and volume. So we will reteach. So I will reteach all these concepts in that, because I have to do that, because 9th standard consists of all these concepts again. So we will discuss that in very advanced in 9th standard. Clear? Now we are going to discuss only main concept. So let me come to the point. We are supposed to calculate area of this parallelogram. So area of the parallelogram, the formula is, we know that it is base into height, and in the question it is the base is given as 10.5 and height is given as 10. Clear? See, this is what is base and this is what is height. And what is 10.5 into 10? How to multiply a number with a 10? How to multiply a decimal with a decimal number with a 10? Just when you multiply a decimal number with a 10, what you have to do? You have to take that decimal point and take the decimal point to one position to the right side and give the point there. That means, suppose if you multiply 1.12 with the 10, so where this decimal point you have to mark after this multiplication? So in 10, how many zeros are there? 1 0. So you have to move one position to the right side. Now the position of the point is here. So when you multiply with the 10, the number will be 11.2. From here, one position to the right side. So 11.2. Here you have to give the point 11.2, because we are multiplying with the 10. Suppose if you multiply with the 100, you have to go 2 position to the right side. Okay, so 10.5 into 10 should be 105 point. Okay, otherwise 105. 10.5 into 10 is 105, because now the point is here. When you multiply with the 10, ഒരു സ്ഥാനം റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലോട്ട് പോകണം. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒരു സ്ഥാനം റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലോട്ട് പോകണം. 10 വെച്ച് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ 10ൽ ഒരു സീറോയേ ഉള്ളൂ. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഒരു സ്ഥാനം എവിടെയാണോ പോയിന്റ് ഉള്ളത് അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒരു സ്ഥാനം റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലോട്ട് പോകണം. സോ 10.5 into 10 എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ 105. സോ 105 centimeter square. So that is the area of parallelogram. Moving to the next question, let me consider a trapezium now. So write the question. Calculate the area of trapezium. The specialty of trapezium is one pair of sides should be parallel, and the parallel side are given as 10, centimeter and 20 centimeter, and height between that parallel lines, let it be some 5 centimeter. So this is your trapezium. We are supposed to calculate area of this trapezium, and which is the formula? Area of trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b. So half into what this h stands for, height, that is given as 5, and what this a and b stands for? A and b are the length of parallel sides. Here the parallel sides are 10 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So a plus b will be 10 plus 2. Now just see, it become 1 by 2 into 5 into 12. No, 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 and 12 get cancelled by 2. Into how many to 1? In 12 how many to 6? So 6 into 5 is 30. So 30 centimeter square is the answer. Clear? This is what is area of trapezium. Moving to the next and very last question. Triangle. What? Triangle. This is triangle, and we are going to learn area of this triangle. The question, and here the base of the triangle is given as some 10 centimeter, and height is given as some 3 centimeter. So how to calculate area of this triangle? Area formula is half into b into h, because this is triangle, its area is half into b into h. Formula അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും എല്ലാത്തിനും മാറിപ്പോകരുത് കേട്ടോ. So it become half into base is given as 10 and height is given as 3. 2 and 10 get cancelled by 2. So here 5 will come. So 5 into 3 is 15. 15 centimeter square is the answer. Okay. So this is it. Only few problems we have discussed. Please practice the questions properly and wait for the next video. Thank you.